Today I'm going to show you how to remove the pins from this GM V8 LS PCM connector. The first step is to pull off these two blue covers on the bottom. I'm going to do that with a pick, as you can see here, and you just push in the sides like that. Do it on each side. And you can slide the top thing right off. You can see on the end here, there's just basically a little push pin that you push in on each end. Set this one aside. All right, you can see I got the blue caps off now. And on the bottom of this bolt is a little washer, and it holds the bolt in place. We need to get that washer off. So I'm gonna cut it with a pair of these wire cutters right here. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't cut it, I should be able to at least bend it enough to get it to come off. All right, so there we go, now it's cut. You can see it's about halfway off. There we are. All right, so with that off, now we can remove the cap on the backside. Up here. So you can see there's a clip here that's already a little bit falling off. There's a clip on the end here. And then there's one here, one on each end. There's 5 total. Some of these are already falling off. But basically you just squeeze them and you can pull them right off. Like so. Then you can pull this bolt out. And with the bolt out, you now have the ability to push these 4 white little tabs like that. Flip it over, there's 2 on each side. There we go. And at that point, you're able to finally get the aluminum casing off of the connector. And that is key. Okay, now there's these black covers on the backs of the wires. You can kind of pull those away from the white connector. You might need to get a screwdriver and do a little prying. They're kind of they're on there good because the wires are all sort of twisted up. You might need to straighten out all your wires so that they actually slide off. Alright. Excellent. So now, the last step is you figure out which wire you want to pull out. We'll go with this one. And on the front side of the connector, right here is a little tab that you can push up. If you push in, you can obviously push the connector through and then hold the tab up and you should be able to pull it right out. Like this. Ta-da! If you want to push it back in, you can obviously just push it back through the hole in the back. Make sure the little white tab is down and it locks into place. There you go. The other option is you can leave most of this together and you can push the wire through the front and just cut the wire off. Or you could just leave the wire in place and just cut it off. But I like to pull them out because I feel like it's the right thing to do. Anyways, hope that helps you out. Enjoy.